Have you ever wanted to learn more about your family history, tracing your lineage, or compiling a list of ancestors, but don't know how to get started? Well, the City of Bowie, in partnership with their Daughters of the American Revolution, are sponsoring a genealogy workshop.
Hi, I'm Susan Proctor, the Historic Properties Manager for the City of Bowie Museums. If you've ever thought about doing your own family tree, then this is the place to be. We will have experts from across the area, from the Smithsonian, the State Archives, the Daughters of the American Revolution. All those experts will be here to help guide you through, whether you're a beginner or an advanced researcher. So please join us for that day.
We partnered with the City of Bowie to celebrate our upcoming major milestone. America's on the cusp of their 250th birthday. And the Daughters of the American Revolution are expanding and celebrating the Stars and Stripes forever. We're attempting to do this by increasing our membership, making people aware of potential patriots in their past. And the genealogy workshop that we are co-hosting isn't just for Daughters of the American Revolution, but it's for everyone with an interest in genealogy. This is an incredible opportunity to learn from subject matter experts, whether you're just starting out with a family tree or you've always been your family's historian and you're looking to refine your hobby with tips and tricks that you might not have thought of before. We're even encompassing DNA in a family history search. For only $30, it's an amazing deal. Lunch is included. It's an all-day endeavor with beginner and intermediate and advanced courses. We're going to end with a wine and cheese reception at the Bel Air Mansion. So who could ask for more than that?
The workshop takes place on Saturday, July the 29th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Kenhill Center. The cost is $30 per person and space is limited. To register, you can email Susan Proctor at sproctor@cityofbowie.org or you can call 301-809-3089.